In the fertile valleys of Washington state, the day begins before the sun fully clears the horizon. Here, millions of trees stand in silent formation, the architects of nature's candy. It takes months of patience to reach this moment. From the cold dormancy of winter to the heat of summer, this red delicious has been waiting. Note the morning dew, a sign of a cool night, essential for developing the fruit's crisp texture. But the story didn't start with the fruit. It started here, with a blossom and a visitor. Without the pollinator, the juice we drink would simply not exist. Now, the branches are heavy. Gravity pulls at the stems. The sugar levels, or Brix, have reached their peak. It is time. For premium table apples, the touch must be gentle. Human hands are still the best tools for the job, twisting the fruit upward to protect the spur for next year's crop. But for juice production, speed is the priority. Mechanical shakers grip the trunk with hydraulic force. In seconds, a year's worth of growth rains down. The volume is staggering. A single bin holds 800 pounds of fruit. As they pile up, the air fills with the scent of crushed apple skin and earth. Once the fruit is off the tree, the clock starts ticking. Fermentation is the enemy. These tractors are the first leg of a race against time. From the quiet orchard to the roar of the highway, fleets of trucks transport thousands of tons of fruit to the processing facility every single day during the harvest season. Arrival. The first step isn't crushing, it's floating. The apples are dumped into massive water flumes. This isn't just for transport. The water acts as a cushion, preventing bruising that could oxidize the juice before it's even made. Currents push the fruit along this artificial river. It is a mesmerizing flow of red and green, sorting the crop by density. Before they can be pressed, the orchard must be washed away. High-pressure jets and rotating bristles scrub every inch of skin, removing dust, leaves, and field debris. Only the clean survive. Now the transformation begins. The apples enter the hammer mill. Rotating metal teeth spin at thousands of RPMs, pulverizing the fruit into a coarse pulp known as mash. The mash is fed into hydraulic presses. Under immense pressure, the cell walls burst. Watch as the golden liquid is liberated from the solids. This is the essence of the apple, captured. The raw juice, cloudy and full of sediment, rushes into holding tanks. It is sweet, wild, and unrefined. What remains is the pomace, skins, seeds, and stems, but nothing is wasted. This dry matter is collected and sent back to farms as high-nutrient animal feed or compost. To create the clear amber liquid we recognize, the juice must be clarified. Filtration membranes strip away the microscopic solids and pectin, turning the cloudy raw juice into crystal-clear nectar. It then moves through these stainless steel cathedrals. This is the pasteurization stage. The juice is heated rapidly to kill any potential bacteria, then instantly cooled to lock in the flavor. But before a single drop is bottled, it must pass the test. Technicians measure the acidity and the sugar levels, the Brix. Constancy is key. Every bottle must taste exactly the same, regardless of which tree the apple came from. We enter the bottling hall. Here, precision engineering takes over. Nozzles fill the bottles at a rate of hundreds per minute. Not a drop is spilled. In a blur of motion, the caps are torqued tight. The seal is set, the contents are now protected from the outside world. The label is applied, the final badge of identity. It tells the story of ingredients, nutrition, and origin. Robotic arms, tireless and exact, palletize the goods. What was once hanging on a branch in the wind is now packaged, wrapped, and ready for the global market. After miles of travel, the journey pauses here, on a grocery store shelf, waiting to be chosen. But the journey truly ends here, in the kitchen. As the light catches the glass, we are reminded of the sun over the orchard. From the soil to the press to the glass, a simple golden pleasure. This is the journey of apple juice.